Hi, today we are going to learn about finding geometric means. Let's look at a problem. Solve. Find two geometric means between 4 and 32. Now, in order to find the geometric mean between any two numbers, we are going to use the nth formula of the geometric sequence. Nth formula is given by an is equal to a times r raised to the power n minus 1, where your an is the nth term, a is the first term, and r is the common ratio. And n is the number of terms in a geometric sequence. So let us say the geometric means be r1 and r2. So we'll have a sequence like 4, r1, r2 and 32, because the geometric means will be between these two numbers. So our a becomes 4 and our an becomes 32, n is 4. So a4 becomes 32, I can say. So I can use the formula a4 is equal to a times r raised to the power 4 minus 1. a4 is 32 is equal to a is 4 times r cube. So dividing by 4 both sides, 32 by 4 is 8 is equal to r cube, or I can say r cube is equal to 8. Taking cube root both sides, I get r as 2. So your r1 will be a times r. Since common ratio is second term by first term, so we can say the second term will be product of first term and the common ratio. So that's 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. And your r2 will be r1 times r, the product of the previous term and the common ratio. That's r1 is 8 times 2, that's 16. So r1 is 8 and r2 is 16. So we can say the geometric means between 4 and 32 are 8 and 16, which is the answer in the D part. Next problem. Solve. Find two geometric means between 3 and 24. So 3, r1, r2, 24. A becomes 3, a4 is 24, n is 4. So we can say a4 is equal to a times r raised to the power 4 minus 1. 24 is equal to 3 times r cube, dividing by 3. 3 and 3 strikes out. 3 times 8 is 24. So 8 is equal to r cube, or we can say r cube is 8. Taking cube root both sides, I get r as 2. So my r1 will be a times r, that's 3 times 2, that's 6. And r2 will be r1 times r, that's 6 times 2, so r2 is 12. So 6 and 12 are the geometric means between 3 and 24, which is the answer in the B part. Next problem. Solve. Find two geometric means between 2 and 128. So I have 2, r1, r2, 128. A becomes 2, a4 becomes 128, n becomes 4. I have a4 as a times r raised to the power 4 minus 1. 128 is equal to 2 times r cube, dividing by 2. 64 is equal to r cube, since 2 times 64 is 128, or we can say r cube is 64. Taking cube root both sides, I get r as 4. So r1 will be a times r, that's 2 times 4. r1 is 8. and R2 will be R1 times R, 8 times 4, so R2 is 32. So 8 and 32 are the geometric means between 2 and 128, which is the answer in the D part. I hope you can practice more problems on finding geometric means now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.